Outstanding design defines the 2007 Buick Lucerne. This four-door sedan just recently passed the 60,000-mile mark. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a refined six-cylinder engine. It distinguishes itself from the competition with features such as front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, fully automatic headlights, and more. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, OnStar, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Safety and maximum capability are assured via self-leveling rear suspension, which maintains optimal driving geometry. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.